Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 20 by 28 inch canvas today, and I'm using my spinner, my large spinner from Erica Hughes. I'll put the link in the video description so you can order this spinner from her also. It's fantastic. I'm going to do another bloom today, but instead of doing a blowout, I'm going to do a bloom swipe, and I'm going to attempt to do a loaded palette swipe, and I'm going to try and keep this very minimal. So I have 4 colors and a cell activator here. This is Golden's Payne's Gray. This is Amsterdam Light Gold. This is Amsterdam Graphite. This is Amsterdam Turquoise Green, and then my cell activator is Amsterdam Lamp Black. This is mixed 2 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. It is a little thicker than most people use, but I'm finding that this consistency holds its shape better for me. Maybe my Australian Floetrol is a little thinner than everybody else's. My pouring medium for the colors is Lanco brand Professional Supra, and it is matte finish, and it's called an accent base. So I know a lot of bloomers use deep base, but I'm having trouble finding that in Costa Rica. And my Google search tells me that accent base and deep base are very similar. So that is what I'm using. The pillow paint that I'll be using tonight is also Lanco brand, but it is ultra white and it is satin finish. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking today. I'm just going to play around. I'm going to layer my palette knife in exactly that same order as I laid them out there. So let's just put down some paint and have some fun.
Perdiendo entre las sombras, desvaneciendo, siempre otro despedir, a veces más lento, demasiado rápido para mí, siempre tan fuerte. Mi necesidad por ti, la primera mirada que yo vi fue la misma que me diste en aquel despedir, aquel abrazo vino a ser el último que te di. Tu mano en mi mano, todo me lo sabía decir. El dolor me ahoga, tan fuerte de ti, no quería soltarte, no podía dejarte ir, el miedo a perderte no me dejaba respirar, no podía aguantar que ya no estarías más. La primera mirada que yo vi fue la misma que me diste en aquel despedir, aquel abrazo sabía decir. Cerca, siempre cerca, cerca, siempre cerca de mí. Cerca, siempre cerca, siempre cerca de mí. La primera mirada que yo vi fue la misma que me diste en aquel despedir, aquel abrazo. Vino a ser el último que te di, tu mano en mi mano. Todo me lo sabía decir. Si quieres creer que te puedo traer la luz del sol y las estrellas, si quieres depender de mí, que te ilumine a ti, te dé toda mi energía. No te hagas ilusión, no quiero ser tu salvación, tampoco soy tu religión. Hacete cargo de tu vida, mi amor no significa posesión, no significa solución de tu problema. Resuelve tus dilemas. Yo prefiero vivir sabiendo que hay amor profundo y sincero. Quiero sentir lo que es compartir la felicidad en lo malo y en lo bueno. No te hagas ilusión, no quiero ser tu salvación, tampoco soy tu religión. Hacerte cargo de tu vida, mi amor, no significa posesión, no significa solución de tu problema. Anda, resuelve tu dilema. Tampoco soy tu religión. Hacete cargo de tu vida. Mi amor no significa posesión, no significa solución de tus problemas. Anda, resuelve tu dilema. No
Does anyone else see two humpback whales playing in the water together? It was unintentional, but that is definitely what I see. I think this is super cool. Lots of things, really good things. I love that turquoise green in there. The graphite has gone very transparent and added a really nice warmth. I think probably because I layered it right next to the gold. Those two combined and made some beautiful, fabulous colors. Decent cells and lacing here in the main part of the swipe. Down here where it's just white with the lacing, that's the cell activator going over top of the pillow paint, but I'm okay with that. I like it. What's really cool is when I did the scoop and drag and drug that over top of that, look at how transparent it is. You can see right through it. That is amazing. I love that a lot. And it happened a bit up here too. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I think my cells basically held their shape. I'm freaking happy with this. I love that pop of the turquoise green there. I love the composition. Isn't it amazing? I loaded my palette knife twice and look how much color I got. House paint really makes those paints stretch out. They got very transparent, but I love it. I think I used that to my advantage. Let me know what you think in the comments, but let's see how she dries. And here we have it, the dry result. I am really happy with this. I've shown this to several people. I showed it to my art lab members, my Patreon group, and everybody seems to see something different in this. I definitely see two whales circling in the water together, but I've heard things like hands clasping. Lots of people have said they see birds. In fact, my husband said he saw birds, but that's the fun thing about abstract, right? Everybody sees something different, and I'm super happy with how this turned out. The cells and lacing have held up very well. I really, really love this swipe with the pops of the turquoise in there and this transparency right here. I love that. I think that's my favorite thing I've done in a long time. That is super freaking cool. But all of it is nice. I really love the color palette. The motion of the swipes is really great. Super happy with that too. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this bloom and bloom swipe thing, and I did notice as I was spinning this out, I think my pillow paint is too thick. In fact, one of my commenters on the last video said the same thing. So I think in the next one, I'm gonna find a way to thin out my pillow paint and see if it has any difference or makes any difference to how these move and the color intensity, because this transparency that's happening right here that I love isn't necessarily what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to see if I can figure that out in the next video. But I'm having lots of fun learning, and learning is one of my favorite things to do. So I hope this gave you something to think about, maybe inspired you to try something new. Don't forget to do the YouTube things and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.